With a fundamental understanding of matrices and vectors out of the way, we're ready to start getting into the heart of linear algebra. Much of linear algebra centers around what we call the four fundamental subspaces, which are the four subspaces that exist for every matrix. The first one is the null space, then the column space, the row space, and the left null space. And identifying these four spaces for a matrix can give us a tremendous amount of information about that matrix. So in this section, we'll look at how to use matrix vector products, so the product of a matrix and a vector, in order to solve for the null space and the column space of a matrix. We'll also look at how these two spaces are related to each other. So let's get started with a simple overview of how we multiply matrices by vectors before using that new skill to define the null space of a matrix.